Yo, what's up? It's Millionaire Hoy, and today we have a low impact beginner's cardio workout. All right, we're gonna go and complete that step form. So we're gonna keep one foot on the floor at all times. We're gonna move around and we're gonna get our heart rate up while still pushing for those 2,000 steps. All right, so go ahead and put it big. All right, just see smiling at face. Get a quick sip of water, and we're gonna kick this off with our first move, which is going to be our base step. If you need to warm up, go ahead and do so before we begin, and we go ahead and go right into it. So we're gonna start in our base step, just going left and right. Good, now as you do this, you're still gonna tighten through that core, and we're gonna shift left and right, tapping that foot, not dragging that knee around, all right? Good. All right, now as we rest, we're gonna stay moving throughout. You can do your base step, you can do a march, you can do a step jack, whatever you wanna do to keep you moving, and we're gonna move those feet. All right, from here, side to side, Heisman Shuffle. We're gonna bring it over, left and right. Drive that knee up, use that core, turn it over. We're still gonna get some sweat. One more. Walk it out. All right, from here, double drive hops. We're gonna keep one foot on the floor, we're gonna drive the other knee twice, then switch it up. Let's go. Left and right. Tight through that core. Swing those arms. Come on. Get the core pump right here. Step it out. Good energy. There we go. All right. We have free throw shuffle. So I'm going to start on the right. We're going to shuffle towards the left and bring it up. Let's go. Shuffle, grab, and shoot. Come on. Score some points. Grab from the left, twisting, pivoting. One more shot. Nice, walk it out. Okay, from here, we have boxer grabs. So, with the boxer grab, we're gonna shift like so, and grab it in. Let's go. Hop. 1, 2, grab. Let's go. Step in there. Kind of dive a little bit, all right? Walk it out. Okay, from here, we have side to side, skip, rope, knees. So we're gonna skip, knees up, back to the center. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, to the left, drive, up, and skip. 3, 4, to the right. Yeah. Come on. And over. I'm gonna make it back over. There we go, right on time. And walk it out. All right, right back to those free throw shots. And then we're gonna do the boxer grabs, both on the right. So we're going towards the left to grab from that right. Let's go, grab. Let's go on the board right here as well. Yeah. There we go, almost there, one more. Buzzer beater, oh, right on time, there we go. All right, so we practice on the other side. Let's bring those boxer grabs. We're gonna shift towards the right here, all right? Let's go, 1, 2, grab. Come on, yeah. Tight through that core, we're working in here, come on. Good, walk it out. All right, from here, we're going in and out, pedal feet. Start in the front, in, 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4, bring it in towards the left. 2, 3, 4, out. To the front. Out, one more towards the right. Right. Out. Bring it in. Walk it out. Woo! A little bit of fire feet there. All right. Power climb. We're gonna reach up, opposite hand, opposite knee. Let's go. Grab. Really tight through that core here. Give me a little bit of energy here, a little bit of aggression, a little bit of flavor. As we bring that heart rate up. Reach high, pull down. Like we're climbing that ladder of success right here. Nice, all right. ISO L shuffles. So we're on the right, we're gonna shuffle towards the left, shuffle forward, back, and towards the left, like a Tetris piece. Let's go, bring it over. Back to the right, forward, then back. Come on, left, forward. Every step counts. Come on, there we go. All right, from here, try, switch, step jack. So it's just like a try, switch, jack, but we're gonna step for 4 count, all right? We're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right. 1, 2, 3, come on. Turn. There's that sweat. Step it out. All right. ISO L shuffle from the left, going towards the right. Let's get that heart rate up. Over towards the right. Bring it forward. Come on. Woo! Bring it back to the front. Nice. All right, walk it out. Front to back jab switch. So we're coming forward, boom, 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 boom. Bring it back for 3 switch. 4 forward, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4 back. 1, 2, 3, switch. Back. 3, 4, come on, step it out. Bring it back. Woo! All right, front to back Ickey Sprint. So, we brought the hands forward. Let's bring those knees up. 1, 2, 3, knee. 1, knee. And back. Come on. Forward. I'm gonna show you from the front. We ain't got much time. I want to switch it up on you. All right, keep on moving. We're going for stutter, high strikes. Bring it over to the right. We're step, step, shuffle, strike. Come on, bring it over. Yeah. Over, twist, boom, hand over. Come on, nice and grounded. Yeah, I'm gonna come over on 2 now. Let's go. Yeah. Good, we're switching that movement up, getting that core in there and getting some rotational strength. Let's go and get some more core in there. 180 ab twist. 4 twists, switch. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. Front. Right. Front, come on. Left. Turn over to the right. Step it out, woo! All right, start a high twist, high strikes. We're gonna move over to 2. Nice and grounded. 1, over, twist. Come on, ground it. Yeah. There we go. All right, butt kick jacks, arms up, foot going back. All right, let's go. Come on, knees straight down, heels up towards those glutes. Hamstrings are working, quads are working, glutes are working, lats, pecs a little bit, traps. Come on, step into it, just 20 seconds. Keeping it low impact. We're still keeping that heart rate up and that sweat going. That's what I'm talking about. All right, front to back, pedal feet. So, pedal, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, and pedal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it back. Come on. Feet off the floor. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. Come on. Walk it out. All right. ISO, in and out, under taps on the left. We're going in, out, under. Come on. 1, 2. Yeah. Step to it. Come on. Ground it. Yeah. Nice. I'm gonna get a quick sip. All right, 180 brisk march. Facing left first. Let's go. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the front. And turn. To the front. There's that sweat. Left. Front. One more side. To the right. Step it out. All right. Coordination's coming back. We're going for ISO. In and out tap unders on the right. Let's go. It's gonna take some coordination, but we got it. Do a few of them, and when you come back to this workout, you'll have mastered it. I'm getting lower. Oh yeah, all right. No jump rope. So, swing those arms, kick those feet out. We still moving. Come on. Yeah. Swing those feet quick. Yeah. Bring the intensity up a little bit. Kind of shaking my foot out from all those pedals. Come on. Got a reminder to take out the trash. All right, from here, we're gonna raise the roof. Arms go up, we're gonna step left and right. So, think of a base step with arms up. Let's go. Raise it up like you're doing a press through those shoulders. Come on. All my people from the early 2000s, you know, this is how we used to celebrate, raise the roof. It might have even been from the 90s, all right, let's go. Push through. Yeah, always feels good to do that, all right? Okay, from here, side to side, speed back march. Starting on the right, we're gonna speed back over towards the left, march back over towards the right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, march. 5, 6, 7, 8, over. 2, 3, come on. 4, march. Move those feet. We're pushing for those 2,000 steps. Come on, in just 15 minutes, we are getting it, all right? All right, championship round. We have side to side double hustle taps. So we're gonna bring it over. Tap your toe or tap your knee. And over, come on. Tap, tap, drive. Modify, hit that knee. There we go. I'm doing one tap on each. Good. Side to side, speed back march. Keep it moving. We're almost there. Let's go towards the right. 2, 3, 4, march. Come on, up. 3, 4, march it up. We're showing up every day. We're working on ourselves, and we're getting better. All right, second to last move. Back, pull, butt kicks. Let me pick up my step a little bit more. Let's go, pull. Get those heels up. Come on, let's pull forward right here. We got one more exercise after this. Yeah, squeeze through that back. Get those heels up behind you. Let me show you from the side. Yeah, so we're pulling it up. Come on. Really trying to get those heels up back there. Pulling through that back. Final move. We have side to side by special request of his name, high-low flash dance. So we're low. 3, 4, bring it up. To the center. And low. Come on. To the left. Get low. Center. Come on, and down. Move those feet up. So close. 10 seconds. Down. Center. Woo! Calves on fire. Down. Bring it up. Feet rest. Give me that fist bump and boom! Fist bump. Way to rock it. Did we clock 2,000 steps? 2,318 steps. I'm telling you, without taking both feet off the ground, without going high impact, we still brought it, still getting our steps, feeling nice and refreshed. And look, this can be a great warm-up on days when you don't need recovery, before you go into your strength training or even afterwards, just to get that body warm and ready to go. But enough about that. Congratulations to you for bringing it today, putting literally one foot in front of the other and putting your best foot forward and getting in those steps. Keep on showing up day to day and you will see, I guarantee, great results. With that being said, let's keep up with our habits throughout the day, putting healthy food in our stomach, healthy things in our heart, relationships, and healthy things in our mind, mental health over every single thing else. You are absolutely crushing it. Until the next time, it's Millionaire Hoy. Take care and peace out.